Good morning, class 6. Today I have come with a new topic, that is our metric system. This is the most important topic that we have to study. In this topic, we have to learn about the conversion of units. Simply, metric system means measurement, that is measurement. And today I will discuss the units of length. In this measurement or the metric system, we have to study the units in three parts. The units of length, second, unit of mass, third, unit of capacity. But today in this video only I will discuss the units of length. This is the most important topic because in further classes you have to follow these rules. These conversions are very important to tackle our problems. So I will start with the unit of length. Unit of length. The conversion of unit of length is given in your book also, but I will teach you this method in another way with a new technique. So focus here. See, first of all I want to tell you that what is length. Length आपको पता होगा बच्चे, लेंथ क्या होता है? एक डिस्टेंस होता है, इसको हम मेज़र किया जाता है। सिंपली हम ज़्यादा मीटर्स यूज़ करते हैं, सेंटीमीटर्स यूज़ करते हैं, किलोमीटर्स यूज़ करते हैं, but there are many several other units that we have to follow here. So simply I will writing the various units of length. See, number 1, millimeter. The short form for it is mm. Second, it is centimeter. It is a centimeter and it is denoted by cm. Clear? And the third unit is decimeter. Clear? And it is denoted by dm. Now our fourth unit is meter. Fourth unit is meter and it is simply denoted by small m. Clear? All of you clear or not? You have to follow the same technique as I am writing over here. Clear? And fifth unit is decameter. Fifth unit is decameter and it is denoted by DAM. Say children, I have seen that many students have confusion in these two units, decimeter and decameter. So when I will tell about the relation between all this, you will be very clear between both these units. So till end you will be all clear. Now after decameter, the another unit is hectometer. And it is denoted by HM. And seventh, largest unit is kilometer. And it is denoted by km. Are you getting or not? See, Our smallest unit is millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, then meter, then decameter, then hectometer and kilometer. See, we are going downwards and our units are increasing. Our units are increasing. That they are the greater units. This is the smallest unit and kilometer is the biggest unit. Clear? And I will tell you one thing, that there in all these units on moving downwards there is a difference of 10. There is a difference of 10 among each unit. Among each unit there is a difference of 10. Clear? See, I will tell you the simple technique. You have to follow that. अगर कभी भी बड़े को आपको छोटे में कन्वर्ट करना है, अगर बड़ी यूनिट को छोटी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट. You have to multiply. How many times I will tell you later according to the video, this system. So what I have told you, अगर आपको बड़ी यूनिट को छोटी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, then you have to just multiply it. Simple. And if you have to convert smaller unit into a bigger unit, यानी छोटी यूनिट को बड़ी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको डिवाइड करना है. This is the simplest rule you have to follow. What I have told you, बड़े से छोटे में you have to multiply और छोटे से बड़े में you have to just divide. Now it depends, अब कैसे इसको फॉलो करना है. मैंने क्या बोला आपको कि आपको छोटे से अगर बड़े में कन्वर्ट करना है, आपको डिवाइड करना है. तो मैं इसको फॉलो करते हैं, इस टेबल को जो मैंने बनाया है आपके सामने. मिलीमीटर इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट. क्लियर? सेंटीमीटर उससे बड़ा है. तो मैंने क्या बताया कि जब छोटे से बड़े में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हमें डिवाइड करना होता है. और मैंने इन सब का रिलेशन क्या बताया, सब में 10 का डिफरेंस है. अगर आपको मिलीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, यू विल डिवाइडेड बाय 10. सिंपल वाला रूल फॉलो करना है, छोटे से बड़े में डिवाइड करना है. वो डिपेंड करता है किस में कन्वर्ट करना है. इफ़ ही इज सेइंग इन द क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव टू चेंज द मिलीमीटर इनटू डेसीमीटर, सो हाउ मेनी टेंस आर कमिंग इन बिटवीन देम? सी, फ्रॉम मिलीमीटर टू डेसीमीटर, हाउ मेनी टेंस आर देयर? 2 टेंस, यानी कि 100 हो गई उसकी वैल्यू. यानी यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय 100. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? ओके. सी, इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट convert millimeter into meter, see how many tens are there between millimeter and meter? You can see over. How many tens? 1 2 3. How many zeros? 3. And 3 0 makes 1000. 3 0 makes 1000. If you have to convert millimeter into meter, you will divide it by 1000. It's simple. छोटे से बड़े में जाना है, डिवाइड करना है. और ये टेबल अगर आपको याद है, देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम इन कन्वर्जन. सिंपली जब बड़े से छोटे में जाओगे तो मैंने क्या बोला है आपको, यू हैव टू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. सिंपल रूल इज़ देयर. अब बड़ा नीचे है मेरा और बड़े से मैं अगर आई एम गोइंग अपवर्ड्स तो मैं क्या करूँगा, छोटे में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ तो आई विल जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट. से इफ आई हैव टू चेंज द किलोमीटर इनटू डेकामीटर, into decameter. See, there is a relation, only 2 tens are there. So I will multiply with 100. Clear or not? If I am moving upwards, the units are becoming smaller and you have to just count the tens over here and you will be able to convert these units according to the system given over in the question. Is it clear or not? So today in this video only I am discussing the units of length, and I have told you the simple technique how to follow the rules to convert one system of unit into another system. Is it clear or not? In the next videos I will discuss about the units of mass and unit of capacity. So that's all for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.